Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram through Facebook. So to do that, first go to your browser. So now all you have to do is go to Facebook. So now let's open a new tab and go to Instagram. And now click on continue as the username. Now click on more, and over here click on settings. And now you can see here the account center, so click on here, and over here you can see the profiles. Here you can manage your profile, you can add your Facebook account or your Instagram account, through which you will be able to connect your Facebook and Instagram account respectively. So let's remove this Facebook account, and now go to add account, and now click on add Facebook account. So after you have added your Facebook account in this Meta Center, you'll be able to log in through Facebook in Instagram. So that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.